In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a C-Corporation or S-Corporation using Northwest Registered Agent, and I'm also going to review their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms out there in the market. After clicking the link in the description below, you will land on this page. After arriving on their website, click on the Start a Corporation button. There are 3 ways to incorporate: do it yourself, free account, and hire us. I will go for the hire us option, because that's the most convenient package out of the 3. This will not only save you time but also money down the road. After that, select the state where you want to file your business at. Since I will form Alabama Corporation, I will select Alabama State and click the button. To start Alabama Corporation, there you can see 3 options. Simply click the Hire Us button. They will charge you $461. This fee will vary from state to state. To form your corporation, you'll need to fill in all this information. Then select the corporation and select the state Alabama. The fee includes filing service fee, 2-day processing fee, and registered agent service. Then continue the process. What's included in the total package and the price of each service is shown above the total price on the right side of the screen. On the next page, select a business name. I will just type out a random business name, Marketing. You must add incorporation at last. And type the business purpose. Business purpose is an optional field that you can fill out depending on the type of business you are incorporating. If you want to include some extra services your corporation will provide, then add them in the purpose section. Otherwise, just use generic business purposes, which I will be doing in this tutorial. Always choose the registered agent in the physical address data, also included in the mailing address. You'll also choose a registered agent because you paid a registered agent $125. By clicking the question mark symbol, you may learn more about these options. Fill out the name of the president of your corporation. This person is basically the operations manager, the person who is in charge of the day-to-day operations of the company. Now fill out your secretary's details. Secretary is the person who will be in charge of documenting corporate transactions. Then fill out the treasurer details. Treasurer is the person who will be in charge of the financial transactions of your company. You can see the corporate stock information in the area below. In this part, you must list the amount of authorized shares that you intend to issue once your corporation has been registered. In this situation, I will simply list 1,000 shares, with a $2 price per share. Depending on the size of your corporation, you can authorize the number of shares and the cost of each share value as you wish. You can learn more about corporation shares and prices by clicking the question mark icon at the side. Now, fill out your login information correctly. In the next section, they will ask you to provide your personal details. Just type out your first and last name, your personal phone number, and your email address. For the purposes of making this video, I'll just type up a name and some personal data, but you should always use your own verified information when completing this form. If you want to send a copy of your corporation filing document to your lawyer, you can simply type your attorney details. I'll just skip this part. After that, you'll be shown some options like tax ID. An employer identification number, EIN, is another name for a tax identification number. You can gather a lot of information about the service by simply clicking the button. As you can see, you can add trademark service to protect your brand's name, logo, phrase, or design by registering with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. The phone service is free for the first 60 days. After that, it's just $9 monthly and you can cancel anytime. For the sake of creating this video, I will just select Continue and click on Next. After filling this section correctly, it's gonna send you to the payment section and will show you your total due amount. It will also show you all the services your package is included with. You can also include or exclude any service you want in this section. When you are done selecting, click on the Proceed button and it will ask for your card number. Once you are done with the payment, they will start processing your order and you will receive your corporation formation in just 2 days. So for just $461 in total, you can register your own corporation today. Now, a question might come to your mind: what type of tax status or corporation type you are filing by filling out all the sections in the registration form of Northwest. First, let me discuss the difference between S-Corp and C-Corp. Both S-Corp and C-Corp are tax statuses. However, S-Corp is an elected tax status that qualifying businesses must apply for, while C-Corp is the default tax status for corporations. In other words, if you form a corporation, you will file taxes as a C corporation unless you apply for S-Corp status and qualify with the IRS. By default, if you choose to click order just by filling out these details, then your corporation would be treated as a C Corp. If you want to maintain a S-Corp status for your corporation, then you will have to file some additional documents and tax information to the IRS, which can be done via Northwest Registered Agent's dashboard. After your documents are verified, you can run your business as a S-Corp entity. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section and I will try to answer them as well as possible. Thanks for watching.